to almost ready to administer the state test. Resource room. I came up to grab a few things. Today we are starting our Friendle novel study. Yay! Let's show you around a little bit. Post FSA activity. Yay! Yay! Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, thanks for coming back. Today is my Monday, April the 23rd. Today is official state testing day in my classroom. I'm all set up on the Florida State website. I'm going to have to close all these browsers to actually administer the Florida State test. My classroom is all set up. And I have about 15 minutes before the students get released from the cafeteria. But in about 5 minutes, I'm going to go grab them because we still have to clean out our desk. So each table group, and they'll go in and they'll just take the regular classroom books and stack them over by the wall, and then I'll cover them with that brown paper. And then their notebooks and things like that, I have them bind them up in a rubber band. So each student gets 1 or 2 rubber bands depending on how many books they have, notebooks they have. They bind them up and then they put them in their class bins. And then I put the bins over in the corner and I cover the bins with another piece of butcher paper. So I'm going to get my students in just a little bit. I wanted to make sure my coffee was finished so I can completely clean that area so they can put their books. So my coffee just finished and I'm almost ready to administer the state test. This weekend, I had such an amazing weekend. Check out this video. Hey! So it's 12:40 a.m. and we are on a baseball field camping.
You can come in or you can come out. You can go back out. And we got this.
It's so much fun, guys. It's so much fun. For dinner, we have camp tacos. And we just finished our s'mores. Here's my little tent. And right now we have 3 or 4 girls in a tent for safety. Right next to me. Listen to my girls. They're giggling. I love it. I love it. Let's check it out. See what we can see. There's over 100 people here tonight. And watching a movie. And they gave us popcorn. Hey, I was coming to your tent. Lord, let me get to my right tent, right? So much fun. So it's supposed to rain tonight, though. So, what's up? So, yeah, we ended up staying on the baseball field, and it rained at about 3 a.m. How do I know? Because we didn't go to sleep until about 4 a.m. And then we had to get right back up at 7 o'clock to be off of the field by 7:30. There's a little birdie. Not a squirrel, but a birdie. Let's see if I can get him. He's just perched up there saying good luck 4th grade on the state test today. Hi, birdie. There's 2 of them. Hi, birdies. Good luck 4th grade, they're saying. So, yeah, that happened this weekend. And we have lots more exciting stuff planned for Girl Scouts for the last 30 days of school here. Can't believe we're in the home stretch. See you tomorrow. So I made these little things. I'm going to cut them out and put them on each kid's desk as they enter. I will do the best I can do on my FSA. I am smart and my brain is growing every day. I am awesome. I rock. So they're going to be on their desk when they come in, and then they'll just read it, and then throw it away. So here's my official FSA. And well, today after FSA, we're not going to learn anything. I can't imagine sitting down and teaching them, something else after FSA. So we're going to play Jeopardy, all about the main idea. And here's my classroom after testing. That is kindergarten, first grade. You hear running out there. So everyone had to go into rows for testing. Take a look at some post-test activities. We are finding homophones and then coloring them in. Let's see yours. Got a lot done here. Very pretty. Good job, girls. Looks good, girls. With a marker, eh? Looking good, girls. Post FSA activity. Yay. Yay. Hey guys, it's my Tuesday. Yesterday we had Girl Scouts. We finished our beautifying our community project, and we planted some flowers. I was able to take some pictures of that, so I'll post them after this clip. We are on our second day of FSA testing. I'll show you guys my classroom and what it looks like for day 2. After testing, we're just going to play around with some nouns and verbs and just grammar, and then we're going to do one more Jeopardy, and then tomorrow we'll get back to real work. So, here's my outfit for today. I am not feeling well. My belly is not doing too well. My boots. Yeah, I'm not doing well. My belly feels like really, really queasy. I don't know. But it's going to be a good day. We don't have specials today, which means I'm in the classroom with my kids from 8:30 until 11:50 with no break. So, see you tomorrow. Day 2 of FSA testing. Coffee's making. Assistance needed sign ready. I have my script ready. And I'm going to go on the announcements this morning and say this. Right. All ready. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, I'm in a different location today. I am actually in our resource room. I came up to grab a few things. Today we are starting our Frindle novel study. Yay! Let's show you around a little bit. So we have about 400 students, and I think our resource room is okay. Here's library books if you need some more for your library. And then the shelves behind me are all grade specific. And here's our shelf for grade 4. It's all our stuff. And then this stuff is also grade 4 stuff. And our novels, if you want to do a novel study, here's our novel sets. And so I am looking for Frindle for the whole 4th grade. So I'm actually going to take this whole box. And then if we have time, I counted the days this morning. We have 25 more instructional days. So this Frindle should take about 2 weeks. But if we have time, I want to come back and do something else. So, all right, here's my outfit. Just some black pants and my girly shoes. See you tomorrow. Video. Good morning. Today is, what is today? Thursday, April 26th. I'll be back. I'm going to go talk to my principal really quickly. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if you can tell, but a ton of stress has been lifted off of me. I have about 3 minutes before the students get here. I'm going to try and tell you what happened. So you guys, and it's going to happen. So I was so preoccupied I couldn't think about anything else. Now I have to think about what we're doing for the day. I wanted to get rid of these boxes and everything. I just didn't have time. Kids will be here in 1 minute. So here's my outfit. My skirt I got from Japan when we lived there. And it's so funny. I looked at the tag today. I don't know how I picked it or how I knew it would fit. The tags are completely in kanji. Japanese writing, completely in kanji. I don't even know what size it is, but it fits. And you're not going to, let's see. Can you see it? And I decided to wear my boots this morning. Like I said, I was very preoccupied this morning. I didn't even brush my son's hair. That's how preoccupied I was with this stuff this morning. Money is a huge stressor. Oh, I wish I was rich. All right. See you tomorrow. Hello. Good morning. It's Friday, which means it's the last day of the vlog this week. I hope you enjoyed this week. I talked about the FSA and things like that. I hope you enjoyed it. There's nothing big planned today. So this will be the conclusion of the vlog. It is Spirit Day today at work. So I have on my Mannery shirt, jeans and sneakers. I did want to show you that the whole 4th grade, as I showed you earlier this week, is now reading Brindle, and it's going really well. So on the first day after they read chapters 1 and 2, I asked them for a self-assessment of, and I only had 2 kids that said no, they didn't like the book so far. And I said, well, why? What do you like? And they're like, well, I like talking animals, one kid said, and the other kid said, I like real stories. So I said, okay. I said, well, this is realistic fiction, blah, 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 but it's okay. Every book is not for everyone, even though you can find something in every book. But I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.